Woulda people, Charlie, keep on watching Other Citizen TV and keep on sharing. Thank you.
Kumasi, are you in the building? Let's give you one before we go, okay? Put your hands in the air right now. Yeah, yeah. Everybody sing yeah, yeah. Are you ready? So, the words you say have me so much. I should influence everyone I touch. And tell me if I'm not sure if I know that that's too much, but hands on me what feelings see. See, we are my dear, so we present the new one before the shelling book.